Alright, so you want a sandwich that's healthy, delicious, and won't blow your calorie budget? Let's build the ultimate veggie sandwich, under 350 calories, and trust me, it's packed with flavor and nutrients. First up, grab 2 slices of whole grain bread. They're high in fiber to keep you full. Toast them if you like that extra crunch. I know I do. While that's happening, let's whip up a quick spread. Mix 2 tablespoons of hummus with a squeeze of lemon and a pinch of paprika. This adds creaminess without the extra calories of mayo. Now, lay down a bed of fresh spinach or arugula. Greens are non-negotiable. They add vitamins and a satisfying crunch. Next, layer on thin slices of cucumber, tomato, and bell pepper. These veggies are super low calorie, but pack in hydration and color. For a protein boost, add a 1/4 cup of shredded carrots and a spoonful of sprouts. If you want to level it up, a few thin slices of avocado go a long way. Just keep it to about 1/4 of an avocado to stay under 350 calories. Sprinkle on a dash of black pepper or your favorite herbs for extra flavor. Now press your sandwich together, give it a gentle slice, and you're done. It's quick, it's vibrant, and honestly, it tastes like summer. So next time hunger strikes, remember, healthy can be simple and seriously tasty. Enjoy! If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more healthy meal ideas.